الذي سخر لنا هذا وما كنا له مقرنين وإنا إلى ربنا لمنقلبون آمين.
This time we will get it right. Every step's just a step until the one where you stop. They say the third time's a charm, yeah, well how about the ninth? Or maybe look at this a different way. You only know where you've been, not where you're going to be. If you learn as you go, you gotta go just to learn. So take a step into the river with no name, and you'll be carried off into a horizon that you've never known. Don't close your eyes, it'll all be okay. Come dry yourself beside the fire, made of all those former worries that you've carried inside you. There's no need for names, just let them burn and warm yourself by the flames. This time would be a different case. That we know where we are and we know what we want. It only lasted 2 years, but hey, that's better than one. So back to throwing ideas at the wall. My throwing arms getting good, yeah, I could do it all day. And you know I'd be lying if I said it wasn't fun. Let's take a step into the river with no name, and we'll be carried off into a horizon that we've never known. Don't close your eyes, it'll all be okay. Come dry yourself beside the fire, made of all those former worries that you've carried inside you. There's no need for names, just let them burn. We'll warm ourselves with the flame.